Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to save a WhatsApp DP to your phone's gallery. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate and open the WhatsApp on your phone. Once you are in the chat tab, tap on the three dots from the top right side and from this menu, tap on settings. Next, tap on your profile name. It will show your profile details along with your profile picture. Now to save profile picture, tap to open it. Once the DP opens up on the screen from the top right side, tap on the share icon and it will show you various apps where you can share your WhatsApp DP. Swipe to the left to find the Google Drive and once you find, tap on that. Next, change file name and select file location in the Google Drive. Also, change email address if you want to and from the top right side, tap on save. And that's it. Your DP has been saved to your Google Drive and now you can download anytime to save it to your gallery. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.